Hey guys, welcome to my channel with me, Ritumelum Timkul. So I'm just showing you a bit of a preview. Look at my hair, how long it is, and all of that. So on this particular morning, I just woke up and I decided I'm over my dreadlocks. I want to cut them off. And if I don't do it now, I'm not gonna do it. If I head out and sort out all those logistics. So that was just me quickly cutting my hair. Enjoy the rest of the video. You're just gonna see me cutting my hair, no major reasons, no attachment, no anything like that. It's just girl decided to cut their hair. Hi guys, welcome to my channel with me, Jumi Timkulu. So today I'm about to try my first install. Recently cut off my dreadlocks. No personal reasons or whatever. So this is the wig that we are going to be trying to install. Um, I don't know much about wigs, but what I got is that it's a full frontal wig, 6 inches, and this is what it looks like. Okay, I didn't comb it, but this is what it looks like. And I don't have a lot of stuff for it in store. I don't know if it needs plucking and all those stuff, but hey, we are going to do it anyways. However, it has some hair here. I'm assuming it's what you would use to be your baby hair, but we're not about that. We're trying to keep it as basic as possible. Okay, let's see. I have never um I have never cut a wig. I've never installed a wig. So let's see how this goes. uh okay, I'm assuming it will sit. Okay, we will see. Okay, so I'm gonna be using, what's this, Ghost Bond. uh let's quickly open it. I have my mirror on this side, so might need to, let's see how this goes. Okay, this looks bad. I am hoping that I post this video, but let's see how it goes. So, oops. Let me plug in my hair dryer because I've noticed that people use a hair dryer. Okay, I quickly had to sort out my hair dryer. So I'm going to stand on my side because oh wow, I wonder how this is gonna work. But hey, we'll see. Got nothing to lose. Am I not supposed to cut the ear tabs off before? Anyways, okay, so I don't even have a proper comb. This is what I managed to get. But I think, okay, I think I'm a bit stingy with the glue. Let's see. So how many? I am sure you are sitting on your screen and screaming, no, no, no. But hey, it is what it is. Gotta learn again. Is it meant to be tacky? Okay, I don't know. We'll just see. I'm sure it can't be that bad. Okay. Okay, I already started. I forgot that I was shooting. Oops. Where are you guys falling? so that's how much I cut on this side. And this side. Might need to cut it a little bit further. Okay, actually neat. Okay, I don't know how I did on that, but hey. So I cut these off. Do I have my ears out? And then I've seen how people do this, and then that, and then that. Interesting. I feel like I still need to cut off the sides further, but because of the glue, I can't. I think I pasted it. So what I'm gonna do is try and get some alcohol and cut it in further. Ouch. What I did there, messed it up. See what I did there? Nice. Very classy. Not bad. Let's do this further. I am quite not sure what I'm currently doing, but so I am going to try. to, because I feel like it's just all over. I'll just use a drop of this. I don't know. I thought I'm gonna cut it like even a little short, but since this is my first install, I'm not gonna attempt any cutting of this hair today other than the one that I've already.